Systems is a subsidiary of Deutsche Telekom, a global IT service provider and a long-term partner of Broadcom. The benefits for customers are they have a one-stop shop where they can go to. They can assess the tiering and see what level of partnership do I require. And based on that, they have the quality of a partnership. This customer out of the manufacturing gas industry came to us due to the complexity they faced with their legacy environment. Lots of legacy applications that they had to bring into the new world, cloudify them, make them ready for the future, decide which one to retire, which one should go into the future setup of the applications they will require, and all doing that in a cost-efficient way. The customer also did a deep assessment on the commercials. Is it attractive commercially to go into that direction, running SAP on a private cloud? The outcome was it is very attractive, and that is also with the help of what we see from the VMware Cloud Foundation, something that helped this customer specifically to control their homegrown environment better, to make it more efficient, to reshape it and to make it future-proof.